So, yeah, finished. You guys might be wondering why I brought you here today. Simple answer to that. I just joined in playground mode to play around with the giant lightning cube, and this is what I come to. Yep, that scared me. What used to be right here is now right here, and I'm dead. So the lightning cube's moving. No idea where it's going. Maybe, and wow, it's really loud. Like, my only thought could be that it's like heading to Dusty. Wait. Okay. We're trying straight this way. It's headed toward the middle of the map. Unless it's just falling down the hill that I'm completely wrong. Well, let's see if it does the same stuff that it normally does still. I can't tell if it's getting bigger as it's sucking things into it or not. And there's no bombs. So, yeah. If you guys have any ideas on where it's going, tell me in the comments. Also, I don't know if you guys see it, but it has like some writing on it. Like it's really faint. Right there. Like and then when you hit it, it appears really fast. But yeah. I'm actually gonna try to just post little. I should actually try to just post little things of saying when the cube is moving or not, because this happened today. I recorded my face reveal video today with Nick, and it was up on the hill. Literally today, it started moving. So, there you go. I'm gonna have this launch me up the hill, and we will be done. Goodbye, Crew Cold World. Oh. That was cool. Alright, bye, guys.